Hi, this is Keith Bryan for Global SMT and Packaging at the THECA show in Bangkok. And I'm sitting here with a gentleman from Mitsubishi Electric, and we're going to talk about the future. So first, sir, please, short introduction.
Okay, nice to see you. And my name is Wichiene from Mitsubishi Electric Factory Automation, Thailand. We are doing for this new industry for robotic and automation almost 10 years already.
Yeah, yep. And robotics is really growing in electronics manufacturing.
Yeah. Basically, those kind of very high speed that human cannot do it. Only one solution that we can utilize is a robotic and automation.
Yeah, and with Industry 4.0, more and more people are wanting to automate their factories.
Yeah, especially for those kind of PCB industry or semiconductor industry, we can say that normally there is no man to work in the factory already. Almost we can say like a dark factory. No need to turn on the light. Right. Yeah.
That's what we call light side factory.
Yes, that is our focus business since 10 years ago. And currently we are prediction that those kind of no-man factory is coming for high technology industry is coming in more and more. So we need to do some of our cloud work to prepare for good skill and high technology skill engineering to back up those industries.
Because I guess to have a robot assisting a person, it's not too difficult. But to have a robot in complete control and like if you like autonomous factory, then software and hardware and everything become like huge.
That will be the area that industry and education should sit down and talk together. Because even we don't need to use a worker or operation, but we still need the high skill and people to manage the robot and to do the software and also do some countermeasure when there will be some problem happen.
Yes, I guess the biggest skill is the programming that.
So Mitsubishi also supporting for those kind of not only hardware and software, and we also supporting for reskill and upskill for the people to match with the new industry.
Oh. So you're putting a lot of effort into the, let's say, the key skills that are going to be needed going forward.
Yes, we believe that the core skill for new industry or core skill for high technology industry, automation and robotics should be one of the core skill for those kind of industry.
And are you working with universities and academia to get this like further down the chain?
Currently, our networking, I think we are working for more than 50 technical college and technical university. And we also do our own in-house for reskill and upskill the people and to serve for all the industry at this moment.
And you have a business in Thailand which is exporting to all of Asia?
We are not export our product because most of our hardware and software we import from Japan or from US, right? But we try to support some of the customer here to commissioning or to make some system. Of course, they might export to some other country.
But I guess that's the key competence that you need to have in country. Because first of all, you have issue with language and everything. And also, everything is like custom. You know, if you buy a reflow machine from US or Europe, you plug in, you change the language, and you go. But robot is a bit different.
Different. We need to let the Thai people can talk to the robot also.
Of course. It helps, I guess, because I work a lot around the world and I see more and more robotics. And some companies are happy and some companies are very nervous about this. And if you are in country, then it gives your customer like more confidence.
We need to make all of my customer or Thai industry more comfortable for high technology one. No need to, we have to reduce the gap between the skill, knowledge and technical skill together.
And looking forwards to the future, do you see more of the robots that you currently make? Or will there be new, maybe higher technology robots? I have seen in a factory in China, I forget its name, but basically it was like sentient robot. It looked like a person, but could move everything.
Humanoid. We are talking about humanoid. For future, I still believe that humanoid is not a future. Humanoid is the one that can serve industrial pain point solution that the lack of the people. And for your question is talking about future, I believe that in the future, most of the automation and robotic, including humanoid, will be much closer to the worker. We need to have the skill that can communicate and also design for those kind of automation and robotic, including the humanoid, to know each other. Otherwise, they cannot operate the factory.
Okay. So my last question is, how much of this technology will be AI driven?
How much? You mean how many percent or what? What is your question?
Just roughly. I mean, AI is like the buzzword for everybody everywhere.
Yeah.
And some people say, no, it's deep learning. We train them what to do.
Yes.
They don't need to think.
We expect that, okay, let's say for the machine, we expect AI to help, and in the future, maybe just a normal worker also can use a machine. That machine can have AI to operate, and let's say accountant or some other worker also can operate machine with AI controller system. So I believe that all industry will adapt AI not only for the energy management, but will adapt AI to run as engineer in their factory to manage the machine.
Perfect. Well, sir, thank you for sharing with us.
Yeah, thank you.
It's really nice to hear about the future of automation.
Yeah.
And I hope you have a very good show.
Yeah, thank you.
For sharing.
Thank you.
That's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging at the THECA show, signing off.